Are you looking to start an online business and still searching for the perfect idea? Let's be honest, popular models like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and print-on-demand are overcrowded, with over 90% of new entrepreneurs failing to turn a profit. Turning yourself into a social media influencer or building a tending channel is not an easy task too. But there's a better way. Every month, over 500,000 new small businesses launch, and nearly all of them need digital marketing services like SEO, video creation, ad management, web design, content creation, and review management. That's where a local digital marketing agency comes in. It's the perfect online business model: high demand, low competition, and proven success rates. You're not chasing trends. You're providing essential services to businesses that need them. With businesses eager to build an online presence, the opportunities for you are endless. Whether it's boosting a local restaurant's visibility or helping a startup gain traction, you'll be at the forefront of a thriving industry. Imagine being your own boss, working with clients who genuinely need your help, and building a sustainable income that grows month after month. Starting a local digital marketing agency is your best bet to achieve that. Why settle for saturated business models when you can capitalize on a booming market with untapped potential? Get started today and watch your business grow as you help others succeed. The best time to start is now. Introducing Local Agency Profits, the solution to building a successful online business, a local marketing agency, and all you need to attract high-ticket clients to your agency. Just imagine having a stunning, high-converting website for your agency up and running in minutes. No coding, no expensive developers, just results. Local Agency Profits comes with 6 premium WordPress themes, crafted specifically for marketing agencies like yours. These aren't just any themes. They're built to convert visitors into paying clients. Each theme is mobile responsive, SEO optimized, and fully customizable, allowing you to make your agency stand out. Whether you're targeting local businesses, online brands, or high-ticket clients, we've got you covered. But that's not all. Along with the themes, you'll receive exclusive bonuses, expert copywriting email templates proven to convert, client acquisition training, and insider tips to skyrocket your sales. All included, absolutely free. Countless agency owners are switching to Local Agency Profits to boost their online presence and close more deals. This toolkit has everything you need to elevate your business. Right now, you can get Local Agency Profits for a limited-time launch discount of 75% off. But hurry, this offer won't last long. Are you ready to take your agency to the next level? Click the link below to get started with Local Agency Profits today. Don't miss out. Your dream agency is just one click away.